a welcome development in our team, considering that we are coming from a defeat in Chisumba when we lost against Greenfield. So we needed to find a way of trying to add a little bit of points on our tally so that at least we move away from the relegation zone. So I think it's a welcome result for us.
And playing at home, do you feel maybe you would have done more to get the 3 points?
Yeah, psychologically, obviously, yes, it would have boosted us more. But again, football being football, what we have done today, I'm sure everyone associated with our team will be a bit happy with the performance and end of the day, the result as well.
Okay, and we saw a veteran striker, Evans Sike, coming up with an assist, and we also saw Tapato Sike coming in. How are these guys contributing maybe to your team?
Yeah, we are very lucky and privileged to have senior players in our midst, and I'm sure you can see their contribution week in, week out. Rusike has been like that. I mean, I'm talking about the Evans. Evans has been a leading light in actually looking for goals. As you can see, he's the one who gave us the first goal of the season when we were playing against Kwekwe, and he's gone on to continue trying to help the team, and his contribution is immense.